Hello, Chef here with some more tips to keep you healthy and strong. Studies show that garlic can help fight colds, even fight the flu, reduce your chance of catching illnesses and germs from other people. So take this into consideration this season and eat
Garlic
a lot of
on
garlic.
end-grain walnut. Sometimes people ask us, what's it like to chop on end grain? So here you go. The knife makes a slightly different sound when you're on end grain, and it's a little bit easier on the knife blade, so they say. Okay, so garlic real quick. Just going up and down like this, it just goes right through. Of course, I've got a really good Japanese knife, and that's it. Slice the garlic. So easy, so fast. Now if you want to chop this, you just line it all up like this and give it a quick chopping like so. It's moving around because this is a small block. The bigger the block, the easier it is and more stable it is. Not going to move around on you. There you go. There's my chopped garlic. Thanks for watching the video, and support your sponsor. Have a great day. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it.
Green and red ones. Check it out. Yeah, they're looking really good. Of course.
Here is a finished mushroom appetizer.
This is Appalachian red oak with a clear coat of food-safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous, and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm gonna be back and show you a few tips here. Here, so I'm using this block today. I noticed it's getting a little bit dry. Time to oil it again. So I'm going to be using 2 products today. I thought I'd share them with you as I oil this end grain rock maple butcher block. So the first one is let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner, so it pours out easier. So I actually take and mix the 2 together. I'm going to put a little bit of my mixture on the block like this, right here. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. That is the video. If you need the products, your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight, and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day.